Fulton County jury is deliberating the case of Melvin Dennis Hutcherson. He's charged with the hit-and-run death of a bicyclist in Gulf Shores on Mardi Gras Day 2 years ago.
Prosecutors say Hutcherson left the scene and tried to hide evidence. Hutcherson took the stand in his own defense today. Fox 10 News reporter Hal Sherrick was in the courtroom as Hutcherson apologized to the victim's family.
54-year-old Melvin Hutcherson claims he remembers hitting something the night of February 21st, 2012 on County Road 4, but thought it was a dog or a deer. Baldwin County prosecutors say it was actually 53-year-old Michael Heft of Gulf Shores. Heft was riding his recumbent bicycle while walking his two dogs along the highway just after dark when he was struck. Heft and one of his dogs died from their injuries. Throughout the 4.5-day trial, prosecutors produced over 100 pieces of evidence, all circumstantial. One of those pieces of evidence led investigators to Hutcherson. It was part of a headlamp that had been broken out in the accident. Serial numbers on it provided a make, model, and color of the suspect vehicle. No prosecution witnesses put Hutcherson at the scene of the accident as emergency crews rendered assistance. Because of that, prosecutor Teresa Hines says it shows proof of his failing to stop and provide assistance as required by law. Hutcherson took the witness stand in his own defense today. He said he wanted to testify to offer condolences to the Heft family if he had anything to do with his death. During his closing arguments, defense attorney John Beck told jurors the whole case is about knowledge. Hutcherson would have had to have known he'd hit someone and not care in order to be guilty. He went on to say that while bicycles share the same rights on the road as cars, it was unreasonable to expect to encounter a bike on a busy county road after dark with two dogs in tow. Furthermore, Beck put some level of blame back on Michael Heft for putting himself in unsafe circumstances on that night. Hines contends that not only did Hutcherson hit and kill Heft, he also drove his black Ford Explorer to Etowah County, where he exchanged his vehicle for his daughter's in an attempt to hide it from local authorities. Jurors will continue deliberations on Monday morning. Reporting from Bay Minette, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.
Hutcherson faces charges of criminal negligent homicide and leaving the scene of